Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel.
Kamusta kayo?
Yeah, so today, alam naman natin lahat na lahat tayo hindi pwede lumabas at sarado rin ng mga barbershop at salon. So, we don't have a choice, but I have to cut Andrew's hair.
Oh my gosh, I know, but we really need to do it. So, well, I feel like I need to do it. But yeah, we just went to Walmart, bought some clippers, and then here we go. We just watched some YouTube channels.
Yeah, I watched some YouTube channels
like
and I think, kaya ko na, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, what can go wrong, right?
Yeah, we'll see. So we're gonna do like a medium skin fade and a 2 in the top. That's basically what I take my haircut all the time. So we'll see if it works.
At meron din nga pala akong assistant.
Oh, we have
there.
an assistant?
Yeah. So we have an assistant, Blair.
Yeah, Blair right here.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi. And this is our assistant there.
Yeah.
There.
Boom.
So, first thing na gagawin natin.
Alright.
Do you want me to basa your buhok?
Yeah, maybe just spray it with some water.
So I found this one is new. So.
Oh no, dude, oh my god, you gotta do the spray! Do the spray mode. What the? Wait, there's not even a spray mode here.
There's no spray mode.
No, you just gotta make it tight.
Okay.
There you go, there you go.
Okay.
There you go, there you go.
Okay.
Just like a ch-ch-ch.
Yeah, okay. Konti lang. Diba? Pwede na yan, Blair?
Maybe a little bit more of that.
Okay.
Okay. Good thing I'm maligo after
You
this.
put a little bit. Oo nga pala, hindi rin kami pa naliligo. Para...
What's up with the not ligoing? First divide who never ligos by the way. And then here we go.
Hindi, kasi syempre ano kami ng buhok. Kaya mas maganda gawin nyo to before kayo maligo.
Yeah.
Diba, Blair?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
better. Okay.
Gosh.
So medyo wet na yung buhok niya. At according sa YouTube, number 2 muna. So yung binili namin, pakita mo nga, mahal.
Oh yeah, show you again.
Yeah.
Hair clipper thing. It's 20 pieces. Right now we're using a number 2
Yeah.
for the top
Iba-ibang kulay. Number 2.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
You'll see. Whatever. It's okay. So this is called a guard. So we put this in there. So it's just like this. So yeah, you make sure this is all the way to, there's a lever. Put it, hopefully I break it, all the way to the top. And then put it in. So this guards, you know, like your haircut. You guys got a haircut before. So we'll see. Hopefully this extension cord is long enough. Alright, wait.
Okay.
You gotta put oil. Just put a little bit.
Kasama na yun sa...
It comes with it. It comes with it.
We'll put the link below.
So we put oil on there, let it set for a little bit. Okay, now we can begin.
So
All right.
pagkatapos maliligo ka.
Here we go.
Makati yan.
Okay, there we go. You guys ready?
Okay, ready. Okay. Alright.
Here we go.
Ooh, mukha namang ayos. Have there.
Yes.
Does it look even to you?
You know, you have to do the whole thing.
Okay.
It's the top. The 2 is the number top. Is the top.
Dahan-dahan, mukhang mahiwa kita.
Nah, there's a guard on there. It won't come in. We don't even have a mirror. It's gonna be crazy. I
Blair,
don't even know what's gonna
can you
happen.
get the mirror in my room?
Okay.
Thank you. Nakakangawit pala to.
Yes.
Yeah, you can spray it.
Mahal, bibigyan mo ba akong tip?
Depends how good you do. Here, let me show you.
Mahiwa ka.
No, I'm not gonna get deep black.
Okay.
You want this?
You show Toto what it looks like. Does it look good?
Man, it is what it is so far.
More?
Yeah, it's gotta be a lot. Here, hold on, let me show you.
Okay.
You turn it on. Like, you just go straight. Just go around. Just do it.
Mahal, parang okay naman yung kalahati. Eh, haba ng buhok mo.
Yeah.
Mukha ba diretso there? Parang bakli-bakli. Parang kalbo. Parang kalbo.
Yeah, it's pretty short. Even if you mess it up, we'll figure it out.
Daming buhok.
That's alright. Maybe get a Blair. Maybe get like
What?
a broom,
Okay.
and then
Where?
we'll push it to the side.
Where?
Ang bayad dyan, kailangan maglaro tayo mama.
Or ice cream.
Isipin mo yung barbero. Isipin mo gumaganto yung barbero. Too close for comfort.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you pretty much got it.
Is that good?
Yeah. So that's the easiest part of this whole thing.
Okay.
Actually, that's pretty good already.
right?
So now you have to do
Doesn't it
the.
look really good?
Now we have to do the fade, which is gonna be the hardest part of it all. So you have to make it 0 from here down, right? From
0.
yeah, from here. No blade, no guard.
Is this good?
Yeah. So you go only up to that line, I said.
Parang
You have to be careful with my ear. You might cut it.
So hawakan mo yung ear mo. Alright, here goes that thing.
No, you have to touch my skin. So here, let me show you. Before I.
Don't do.
No, hold this. Okay, hold it right there.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Katakot.
What do you mean? It's
Katakot.
not gonna do anything.
Takot ka.
I'm so scared. Even if you miss the hair in the bottom, it's fine. You're gonna cut all that off anyways.
Thank you for my assistant. Galing na assistant ko ah.
Yeah, don't make the line too high.
Okay.
Well, it's pretty high. Okay, keep going. Just go around. I mean, it is what it is.
Ganun ka nga mga.
What the?
Because there's hair right there.
Just touch my skin. That's why. It's skin to skin.
Skin to skin, are you sure?
Yeah, it's not gonna cut me. Unless you jab it in my skull.
Ang dami sinasabi nito. Makakatipid tayo nito, Blair. Pag ako na lang
There's one here.
Careful with my ears.
There's hair on ear.
Bakit may hair dito yung ano?
I mean, just do your best. Shave me.
Teka.
Yeah, you gotta look. Because there's no mirror. You can look at my mirror.
Pwede na.
Careful, it's getting high. Like right here too, right here, it's a little tiny piece.
Ganyan?
No, like this. Oh,
Like
God.
this? Like this?
Yeah.
Straight ba, Blair? Yan.
Might help her. Make sure it's straight.
Here, more. Okay. Straight.
And not too high, please. For the love of God.
Okay. I
Okay?
think that's good.
Okay, I think that's pretty good. Fairly good. Okay, so now what you do, you stop it. Now, no, this. So, okay, you see this? We're gonna flick this all the way to the back like that.
Flick it.
Yeah, like that. It's all on the wrist. You rub it on my skin and you go up. Okay? You can do it. It's not that hard. And not too high, like I said. Flick. Oh, God. Yeah. Just, you got it. You got it. I'll just believe in you. Just flick it. Yeah, flick it on the line. That's what I gotta do.
Like,
Yeah, it's looking good now. Wow.
bending it. Flick and switch. Guardium Leviosa. Where's that?
I don't.
Yeah, that's better. Okay, now, I mean, for your first time, it's pretty good. So now get the half, and then just kind of go like this. But flick it up, flick it up.
The half?
Yeah, half.
It's half.
Okay.
Is this half?
Yeah.
Okay, now put it on the clipper.
No, half.
Okay. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Okay.
Alright, half. Not bad, not bad. Okay.
Not bad.
Okay, now we put the Mahal, can you help her? So we're putting a half on here. I'm super itchy. So
Okay.
flick it again. You just flick it again.
Just flick.
Yeah, you're blending in. You're just blending it in.
Blending it in.
Just keep now.
Itchy.
Flick it, flick it, flick it. You got it.
Is your barber this close to you?
I don't think so.
Okay, basically. Yeah.
Okay, now put up one.
Huh?
Now, if you feel good, then go to number one. And now
Go
blend
to
it.
number 1.
Yep. Should be the other one.
So it's like a done. Blend it, twist.
Yeah,
Again.
yeah. It's because now there's a 2.5, right? But you still have the 1.
I'm actually getting the hang of this.
Yeah, maybe I won't have to pay anybody anymore. I mean, obviously you're missing because you're moving so far apart from each other. But just keep doing it. You can go like.
That's good.
Just kind of make sure. Now you're just make sure you're finding it out.
Becomes super hot, guys.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
I mean, that looks pretty good. I mean, can't complain.
So, this is the finished product. Then,
Yeah, it looks. I
libreng,
think it's pretty good
masahe.
for the first time. Oh, I got a massage too. That's awesome.
Yeah, please comment if there is like the best assistant.
Yeah, now that you kind of see.
Okay.
It's okay. I mean, it's pretty good. I can't complain. For first time, and we just did it like right now.
Yeah,
But,
so
yeah.
we save a lot of money, and because we really don't have a choice, so. So maybe I'll cut your hair from now on, right, Blair?
Yeah.
You want to touch Toto's hair? It's pretty good. How does it feel?
Nice.
Wow, it feels nice. How about you? How do you feel?
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Feel a lot better.
Okay, after the haircut, maliligo na kami. And if you like this video,
Like it.
and if you love this video,
Subscribe.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.
see you guys in the next one. Bye.